Hello Year 5, welcome back to another week working at home. Continue to be really impressed with all the hard work you're doing. Please send lots of your work via Purple Mash email or via the class email to show me all the brilliant things you're doing. This week in maths we're going to go back to basics a bit. We've done lots and lots of different things. We're just going to look at multiplication. Next week we're going to look at division to make sure we're really secure when we come back in those basic calculations. So multiplication is when we have repeated addition or groups of or lots of. So our calculation here, 237 times 4 is the same as saying, can I have 4 groups of 237, 4 lots of 237, or repeated addition, 237 plus 237 plus 237 plus 237. Let's get our brains going. So, first of all, let's have a look at this. We might recognise this kind of question from Maths No Problem in class. So, we can see there's one box of cupcakes and it costs £18 for those cupcakes. And a special offer here says there are 8 boxes for £818. Is that a good deal? Would I be better off spending £18 8 times, or should I spend £118 to buy 8 boxes? Why don't you pause the video and see now if you think it was a good deal. Okay, let's have a look at the calculation. See if you did it the same way as I did. So I looked and I thought, what happens if I paid £18 8 times? I did 8 times 18 and I got 144. Then I looked and I saw the special offer was £118. Would 144 be more or less than 118? It's more. Let's see how much more. So I did 144, which is the cost of 8 lots of £18, 8 groups of 18, 18 added together 8 times, and I took away the 118, which is our special offer, and I knew it was a good deal and it would save me £26. Now let's have a look at how we're going to do some of our multiplication. So we're going to start off by looking at multiplying 3 digits by 1 digit. So if we're doing 3 digits by 1 digit, 3 times 1 means that we're going to need 3 calculations in order to work this out. 3 times 1 is 3. So we're going to have 4 lots of 7, 4 lots of 4 lots of 30, and 4 lots of 200. Let's look at our pen and look first thing. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. So we've got our 8, because we've got 28 is 8 ones and 2 tens. 28. Now we have a look at 4 times 30. 4 lots of 30, 4 groups of 30. 4 times 30 is 120, or 12 tens, plus our 2 more tens gives us 14 tens, so that's 4 tens and 100, 140. And finally 4 times 200. 4 times 200 is 800, plus 1 here gives us 900. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 30 is 120. 4 lots of 200 is 800. And when we add all of those together, we get a total of 948. Let's see if you can have a go. Let's have a look at this next question. 326 times 3. Let's pause the video and see if you can come up with the same answer that I do. Okay, let's see if we came up with the same answer. 3 times 6 is 18. That's 8 ones and 1 10. 3 times 20 is 60, and 1 10 is 70. 7 tens in our tens column. And 3 times 300 is 900. 3 lots of 300 is 900. We're in our hundreds column. So our total with 3 times 6, 3 lots of 6, 3 lots of 20 and 3 lots of 300 gave us a total of 978. Did you come up with the same answer? Now let's have a look at multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits. If we have 2 digits times 2 digits, we'll need 4 calculations. 2 times 2 is 4. And our calculations will be 9 times 6 and 9 times 50, which would give us 9 times 56, and 10 times 6, 10 times 50, which gives us 10 times 56. Let's have a look. 9 times 6 is 54. So we put our 4 in here, and we carry our 5 into the tens. And 9 times 50 is 450, plus our 5 tens gives us 504. 504 is 9 times 56. We then have to do 10 times 60, 10 times 6, which is 60, and 10 times 50, which is 500. 504 is 9 times 56, 10 times 56 is 560. And when we add those two numbers together, 4, 6, 5 and 5 is 10, 500 plus 500 is 1,000. Our answer, 1,064. 2 digits times 2 digits is 4 calculations. Our ones times our ones and tens, and our tens times our ones and tens. Let's have a look at our third and final calculation of the video. 3 digits multiplied by 2 digits. 3 digits times 2 digits means 6 calculations. 9 times 6, 9 times 50, 9 times 200, 10 times 6, 10 times 50, 10 times 200 are 6 calculations. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 5 tens is 45 tens, plus our 5 tens gives us 50 tens, which is 0 tens and 5 hundreds. And 9 times 200 is 18 hundreds, plus our 5 hundreds is 23 hundreds. 2,304 is 9 times 256. We then need to calculate 10 times 256. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 50 is 500. And 10 times 200 is 2,000. 2,560. Add them together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 6 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4,864. 9 times 6, 9 times 50, 9 times 200, 2,304, 10 times 6, 10 times 50, 10 times 200, 2,560, and our total was 4,864. Okay, on to Purple Mash now. You have a quiz for the day. Today will all be 3 digits times 1 digit. When you finish that, then tomorrow will be 2 digits times 2 digits, and Wednesday 3 digits by 2 digits. You can come back to this video at any time to make sure that your calculations are correct. Have a brilliant day and carry on the brilliant work. See you soon.